Welcome to the third round of our spelling drill segment. We have two contestants here. Contestant one, let's hear your name, please.
Susan.
Susan Taiwo, representing the science faculty at Akahi Tutors here. We have the contestant B.
Gift.
Gift. Your full name, please.
Gift.
Gift. Yes, your full name.
Susan Taiwo.
Susan Taiwo. So, Susan Taiwo, you are representing the science faculty. Spell the word misdemeanor.
MISDEMEANOUR.
That is correct. Shall we clap for her, please? Yes. Onyinye, spell gift. Spell the word cigarette. Take that again. The last time, please.
CIGARETT.
E. Shall we clap for her, please? Spell the word I.
AISLE.
That is correct. Clap for her. Spell the word fineness.
FINESSE.
Correct. Spell the word alma mater.
ALMAMATER.
Correct. Spell the word leisure.
LEISURE.
Correct. Spell the word misdemeanor.
MISDEMEANOUR.
Take that again.
MISDEMEANOUR.
Correct. Spell the word kindergarten.
KINDERGARTEN.
Correct. Spell the word leisure.
LEISURE.
Correct. Spell the word sine qua non.
SINEQUANON.
Correct. Spell the word souvenir.
SOUVENIR.
Take that again.
SOUVENIR.
Correct. Spell the word carburetor.
CARBURETTOR.
Correct. Spell the word bourgeoisie.
BOURGEOISIE.
Correct. Spell the word esophagus.
OESOPHAGUS.
Correct. Spell the word bureaucratic.
BUREAUCICRA.
See, take that again.
BUREAUCRATIC.
Correct. Spell the word boutique.
BOUTIQUE.
Correct. Spell the word renaissance.
RENAISSANCE.
Correct. Spell the word auxiliary.
AUXILIARY.
Correct. Spell the word amalgamation.
AMALGAMATION.
Correct. Spell the word repercussion.
REPERCUSSION.